Welcome, daily movement session. Let's get going. Hands in front, just reach back real gently to begin. Let's wake up our joints, start to build energy to carry us through the day. Just bend your knees ever so slightly. If you're joining us on YouTube, I warmly welcome you to come over to our Community on School Everyday Energy, where we have daily movement sessions, an incredibly inspiring community. People are seeing real results. It's helping them to stay consistent and accountable. There's a link in the description. Come and join us for free. You won't regret it. Let's take our movement now. Step back. And curl the biceps. Head up high. We're going back to basics today. As we begin our third week together in our strength challenge, where we're building strength in the body, resilience in the mind, and so much more by showing up for ourselves every day. I think we need to simplify our movements. We really just want to move with joy. We want to finish each session with energy and a little happier than we began. Let's do that today. It's a beautiful rainy day. I know it's a little dark. You just follow along my silhouette, the sound of my voice, and we will achieve great things in the next 10 minutes or so together. Okay, let's begin to move to the side. Big side step with a real long reach. Get up there. Feel your spine decompressing. Oh, there's happiness when the back feels nice, when we can bend over without pain or discomfort. And we want to get real long here. Decompress the spine. Get the blood flowing throughout our body. Oh. Get out and play in the rain today if you can. Let's take our grandmother's advice. It was the simplest of things. Go outside and play with your friends, even if it's raining. You're not gonna melt. Eat your veggies before dessert. Connect with those you love, with your friends. Turn the screens off. Okay. Ooh, let's twist. Be tall with your twist as well. Get up nice and high. You're building strength in the shoulders and the upper back here. Let your heel come off the ground so you can twist a little further. But think of your back, your entire spine, stretching out. But just move with this wonder and awe, this joy for what our bodies can do. Wherever it's at, wherever your body's at, it's perfect. And you showing up every day is only going to make it a little bit better every day. It's not the intensity, it really is the consistency, so that we can move with joy, wonder, awe. Okay, well done. Let's have some fun here. Cross your arms in front, rise up nice and big. And if it's available, come up onto the balls of your feet. Let's build balance, core stability. But again, make this movement fun. And maybe you have a countertop or a chair to hold on to when you rise up. Wherever you're at, just accept this is my starting place. No problem. I can learn and grow from here. Head up. Just enjoy wherever the movement takes you. Get real big. Ooh, last one. Yes, hold it. Can you hold it for a minute on the balls of your feet? Do your best, engage the core. Yeah, smile. Well done. Let's just shake that for a moment. Move around your space. Just let everything go loosey-goosey. Oh, yes. Are you feeling it? Energy elevated, mood boosted. Boom, 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 boom. If that's all we do, we're doing something right. Back to basics. Nothing more basic than walking. Come for a walk with me. Walk forward and bend over as best you can. Walk back, reach to each side. Forward, bend, backwards. We're working on proprioception. Just find a movement that works for you here and be playful. Maybe rather than walking, when we reach, what if we were to saunter? Head up high. Yeah, you saunter into a room next time you go in. With confidence and pride, I show up for myself every day. I choose to be happy, regardless of what's going on outside of me. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. One more, let's go. Oh, or we strut across. Yes, I like it. Reach as far back as possible, as far back. Okay, let's build some real strength in our legs. I like to think of myself as a sumo wrestler here. Oh, talk about body image. They're revered in Japan, this nonsense about certain body types. Come on now. Your body type, wherever you're at, mwah, you are perfect. Bend down, sumo squat, rise up and look to the sky. Go as deep as you can. Incorporate a few squats throughout your day. While you're brewing your tea or coffee in the morning, 5 squats. It all adds up. But do it with joy and wonder. Yeah, and people are going, what are you doing? I'm being happy. That's what I'm doing. Yes. Oh, it's coming down. Hallelujah. Whew. Oh, thank you, universe. Thank you, Mother Nature. A couple more here. Maybe get a little bit deeper. Oh, can you hold it for a second? The deep squat hold is really incredible. Ankle, hip, knee mobility. So brilliant. Decompresses the spine. If you can get down in this position every once in a while too, and just move around. Oh, lovely. Ooh, I am getting soaked and I love it. Slow march before we get to our final movement of the day. Bring that leg up as high as you can. Be really intentional. Honestly, like you're going in slow-mo. Just to notice everything, every muscle in your body. Head up. How are you feeling now? Oh, wow. And maybe it's like this for you. That's all you got today. Beautiful. You've made it this far? It's awesome. Maybe you get up and maybe you wanna come up onto the ball of your foot if that's available to you, wherever you're at. It truly is perfect. You're here. Ah. Just wow. Smile at the movement. It is a miracle that we can move our bodies. If we couldn't do this, man, what would we give up for the ability just to raise our leg off the ground? To curl our arm. Oh, last one. Okay. Back to basic, he says, all right? We've been doing the crane, amazing. Let's get playful this week with our balancing exercise. If you want to continue doing the crane, by all means, if you want to keep practicing, back to basics. I'm thinking I want to be more childlike. airplane. And you could just slide your foot and keep it on the ground if you wanted, but spread your arms out nice and wide. Maybe you want to be a bird, flap your wings. But if you can bring your leg up just a little bit, amazing. We got the full body going here. Strength, core stability, balance, joy. And maybe you come all the way to a flat back, the leg comes up really high. Amazing. Pick a spot right in front of you. Give it laser-like attention. Breathe. If you stumble, smile. Welcome the challenge. Oh, let's go. One more on each leg. Hold it just a little longer. Hold this one. Maybe take your plane for a little fly. Go for a ride. Oh, we have done it. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so grateful to you for being here to allow me to do this, to be your guide. We're sticking with one point of attention, focused, laser-like attention. There's not much out there. Maybe this spot works for you. We want to build ability to concentrate, to pay attention. There's nothing more valuable. It's our greatest resource is our attention. Don't give it away to anybody. Pick a spot, 30 seconds, stand at real attention, real integrity, breathe, and just give it everything you got. Find that spot. Shake it out. Well done. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to do this again tomorrow. I will see you then. Goodbye. Thank you.